Wow, we're here at the steel factory in Pennsylvania, in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. Steel factory right here where they have Music Fest every year in August, which they're getting ready for. They're gonna build a stage over there, and this is what it looks like. It's been many years since this place has been closed. They did mostly all during the war, here's where they built all the heavy guns, artillery, in a steel factory for the ships. Yep, this is it, one and only, and it's still standing. This is considered a monument for Bethlehem right here, for the steel factory. Thousands of workers used to work here. Some of them even die while working here. It's amazing. It was many years ago. Why not? So you know how it is. It's an awesome place. Music Fest comes here every year. It gets packed. Thousands of people from everywhere come here to celebrate Music Fest. They'll be having bands, concerts, games, activity, food, everything. This gets totally crazy. Very packed. And it is awesome. So they're setting up already for that day that it comes. We're gonna get closer to the steel factory. You're gonna love it. It is very nice. It even has an elevator in case you don't want to use the stairs.
Yeah, like me, I'm going.
You know, like for me, because I'm a senior citizen, so I don't mind taking the elevator. Yeah, so here we are, people, in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania, by the steel factory. It's been closed for what? Since 19... No, it was 2000 and what? 2004, something, 2002, something like that, yeah. Yeah, I think it was 2002, I think it was, I'm not sure. It's been closed ever since. Why not? Well, let's take the elevator and take you back upstairs and get a closer look. Yes.